Metabolism is the biological engine that drives energy expenditure and weight management. At its core is the basal metabolic rate, BMR, the number of calories the body burns at rest to maintain vital functions like breathing and circulation. BMR accounts for about 60–70% of total energy expenditure and varies based on factors like age, sex, muscle mass, and body size. People with a higher BMR naturally burn more calories, making weight management easier. However, those with a slower metabolism may struggle, as their bodies require fewer calories to function. Thermogenesis, the process of heat production, also contributes to metabolic rate. It occurs in two primary forms: exercise-associated thermogenesis E8 and non-exercise activity thermogenesis ENA. NEN8 includes everyday movements like fidgeting or walking, which can significantly impact calorie burning over time. Some individuals have a genetic predisposition for higher NEN8, giving them an advantage in maintaining weight. Additionally, diet-induced thermogenesis (DIT) occurs when the body burns calories during digestion, with protein-rich foods requiring more energy to metabolize compared to fats or carbohydrates. Genetic factors further influence metabolic efficiency. Variations in genes like FTO or those regulating thyroid function can affect how quickly the body processes energy. While genetics play a role, lifestyle choices like physical activity and diet can modify metabolic health. Understanding these mechanisms, BMR, thermogenesis, and genetic influences, helps tailor personalized strategies for weight management, emphasizing that metabolism isn't fixed but can be optimized through informed choices. Genetics play a pivotal role in determining an individual's weight, influencing everything from appetite regulation to how the body stores fat and expends energy. One of the most studied genes in this context is the FTO gene, often referred to as the obesity gene. Variations in this gene are linked to increased hunger and a tendency to consume high-calorie foods, making weight management more challenging for those who carry these variants. Research shows that individuals with certain FTO gene mutations may have a harder time feeling full, leading to overeating and a higher risk of obesity. Another critical factor is leptin resistance, a condition where the body becomes less responsive to leptin, the hormone responsible for signaling satiety. When leptin fails to communicate effectively with the brain, people may continue eating even when they are not physically hungry, contributing to weight gain over time. Leptin resistance often runs in families, highlighting the interplay between genetics and hormonal regulation in weight control. Family history also serves as a strong indicator of genetic predisposition to weight issues. If close relatives struggle with obesity or related conditions like type 2 diabetes, the likelihood of facing similar challenges increases. However, genetics are not destiny. Understanding these predispositions can empower individuals to adopt proactive strategies, such as tailored nutrition and exercise plans, to mitigate their inherited risks. By recognizing the influence of genes, people can make informed choices to support their health despite their genetic makeup. Hormones serve as the body's chemical messengers, playing a pivotal role in regulating hunger, fat storage, and overall weight management. Among the most influential hormones are thyroid hormones, insulin, and ghrelin. Thyroid hormones, produced by the thyroid gland, govern the body's metabolic rate. An underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, can slow metabolism, leading to weight gain and fatigue, while an overactive thyroid, hyperthyroidism, may cause unintended weight loss. Diagnosing thyroid imbalances often involves blood tests to measure levels of thyroid-stimulating hormone TSH and thyroxines T4. Treatment may include synthetic hormones to restore balance. Insulin, secreted by the pancreas, helps cells absorb glucose for energy. However, insulin resistance, a condition where cells ignore insulin's signals, can lead to elevated blood sugar and increased fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. This is often seen in type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Managing insulin levels involves dietary changes, such as reducing refined sugars and incorporating fiber-rich foods along with medications like metformin in some cases. Ghrelin, known as the hunger hormone, is produced in the stomach and signals the brain to eat. Levels typically rise before meals and fall afterward. Poor sleep, stress, and imbalanced diets can disrupt ghrelin production, leading to overeating. Strategies to regulate ghrelin include prioritizing protein-rich meals, ensuring adequate sleep, and managing stress through mindfulness or exercise. Understanding these hormonal influences is critical for addressing weight fluctuations. Hormonal therapies, lifestyle adjustments, and regular medical check-ups can help maintain equilibrium, supporting long-term health and weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight isn't just about what you eat. It's also about how much you move. Active individuals often find it easier to manage their weight because physical activity increases calorie expenditure, balancing energy intake. Regular exercise routines, whether cardio, strength training, or flexibility exercises, play a vital role in boosting metabolism and preserving muscle mass. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat, so incorporating resistance training can have long-term benefits for weight management. Additionally, structured workouts help regulate appetite hormones, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Beyond formal exercise, non-exercise activity thermogenesis (NEN8). The calories burned through daily movements like walking, fidgeting, or standing can significantly impact weight. Simple habits like taking the stairs, pacing while on the phone, or standing desks can add up over time. Studies show that individuals with higher NEN8 levels are less likely to gain weight, even if they consume similar calories to their sedentary counterparts. On the flip side, prolonged sedentary behavior, such as sitting for hours, slows metabolism and contributes to weight gain. Breaking up long periods of inactivity with short movement breaks can counteract these effects. The key is finding activities that are sustainable and enjoyable. Consistency matters more than intensity. Whether it's dancing, gardening, or cycling, movement should fit seamlessly into daily life. Pairing increased activity with mindful eating creates a balanced approach to weight management, emphasizing overall well-being rather than short-term fixes. By prioritizing both structured exercise and everyday movement, individuals can harness the power of an active lifestyle to support their health goals. Proper diet composition and eating habits are fundamental to managing weight effectively. The type of food consumed, as well as when and how it is eaten, can significantly impact metabolism, energy levels, and overall health. High-protein diets, for instance, promote satiety and increase thermogenesis, helping the body burn more calories during digestion. Proteins also help preserve lean muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolic rate. Incorporating lean meats, legumes, and dairy into meals can make weight management more achievable. Mindful eating is another key strategy for preventing weight gain. This practice involves paying full attention to the eating experience, savoring flavors, recognizing hunger cues, and stopping when comfortably full. By slowing down and avoiding distractions like screens during meals, individuals are less likely to overeat. Portion control is equally important. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excessive amounts. Using smaller plates, measuring servings, and avoiding second helpings can help keep calorie intake in check. The balance of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates also plays a vital role. Refined carbs and sugary foods can cause rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar, leading to cravings and overeating. Instead, opting for complex carbs like whole grains, along with healthy fats from sources like avocados and nuts, provides sustained energy and reduces hunger pangs. Timing meals and snacks strategically, such as eating a protein-rich breakfast or avoiding late-night snacks, can further optimize metabolism and weight control. By making thoughtful choices about what, when, and how much to eat, individuals can create sustainable habits that support long-term health. The gut microbiome, composed of trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi, plays a pivotal role in digestion and overall health. These microorganisms break down food, synthesize vitamins, and regulate the immune system. When the balance of gut bacteria is disrupted, it can lead to inefficient digestion, increased calorie absorption, and weight gain. Research shows that individuals with a diverse microbiome tend to have better metabolic health, while those with imbalances may struggle with obesity and inflammation. Probiotics, found in fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, introduce beneficial bacteria to the gut. Prebiotics, such as fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, feed these microbes, promoting their growth. Together, they help maintain a healthy gut environment, which can improve nutrient absorption and reduce the risk of metabolic disorders. Gut health assessments, including stool tests and microbiome profiling, provide insights into bacterial diversity and potential imbalances. These tests can identify deficiencies or overgrowths of specific bacteria, guiding personalized dietary and probiotic interventions. For example, someone with low levels of bifidobacteria might benefit from increased prebiotic intake, while another with excessive firmicutes could need adjustments to reduce inflammation. Emerging studies also suggest a link between gut bacteria and cravings, as certain microbes may influence food preferences toward sugary or fatty foods. Addressing gut health through targeted nutrition can help stabilize weight and enhance overall well-being. Beyond diet, lifestyle factors like stress, sleep, and antibiotics impact the microbiome. Chronic stress can alter gut bacteria composition, leading to digestive issues and weight fluctuations. Poor sleep disrupts the gut-brain axis, further exacerbating imbalances. Even short-term antibiotic use can wipe out beneficial bacteria, underscoring the need for probiotic support during and after treatment. By prioritizing gut health through a balanced diet, stress management, and targeted supplements, individuals can optimize digestion, improve metabolism, and support sustainable weight management. The gut microbiome is a dynamic ecosystem, and nurturing it can have profound effects on physical and mental health. Stress and mental health play a significant role in weight management, often influencing eating behaviors in ways that can lead to weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that increases appetite and promotes fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. This biological response, combined with emotional eating, turning to food for comfort during stressful times, can disrupt even the most carefully planned diets. Recognizing these psychological factors is crucial for developing effective strategies to maintain a healthy weight. Sleep quality is another critical factor intertwined with stress and weight. Poor sleep disrupts the balance of hunger, regulating hormones such as ghrelin and leptin, leading to increased cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods. Sleep deprivation also reduces energy levels, making it harder to stay active and maintain a consistent exercise routine. Addressing sleep issues, such as establishing a regular bedtime or creating a calming pre-sleep routine, can significantly improve metabolic health and reduce stress-related weight gain. Effective stress management techniques, such as mindfulness, meditation, or regular physical activity, can help break the cycle of emotional eating. Mindfulness practices encourage awareness of hunger cues and reduce impulsive eating, while exercise serves as a natural stress reliever by boosting endorphin levels. Additionally, seeking support from mental health professionals or support groups can provide tools to cope with stress in healthier ways. By addressing psychological factors and prioritizing mental well-being, individuals can create a more balanced approach to weight management.